Welcome to GB site. This is the 7th lecture on Android Studio. In the previous lecture, I discussed about how to embed video in your mobile video. You will learn how to add or embed any music in your mobile app, and also you will learn how to add a music player. It will be a well designed part, and after that have a music icon, and we have a buttons, and after that the video will run according to our control, and either we want to play the video audio, or either we want to pause or stop the music or audio. Now we are going to open our main activity where we are doing the backend code, and after that we have a activity main.xml where this is our design part, and we are just drag an image view, and I already paste a music icon inside my drivable folder. I select it and give some properties according to our need, and its ID is by default select by image view, and we give the layout width to match parent. If we give the match parent here in the design part, it will take place from left side to right side of the screen. Here you will see match parent, and we want to give rep content to 250. 250 is too much more, we give in 240 dp. This is the music icon, is nothing difficult, just we have drag an image view, and after that we were already paste this icon inside our driver folder, and we have called this icon. Here you have seen src, and now we are going to drag three buttons: one for play the music, second for pause the music, and the third for stop the music. Then we will change the button, first button to play, show it below the ID of our image view. Want to give the background color of the button is black. After that we want to give the text color. Text color of our text will be set it white. 6 times F, show the color white, and we want to give the text size of our text 20 sp, and also give the text style as a text style, we want to give it bold. Then apply these properties to the next button, change the name play to pause, and also show it below the property of image view, and also right to layout to right of our first button, play button. This ID is button, and apply the background color. Background color we want to give it black. 6 times 0 represent the black color, and change the text color. We want to give it white too, and also give the text style bold, and the size of text we want to give it 20 sp, and show it the margins left of margin left 50 dp from first button, And after that we have last button, we change the text button to stop, show below the ID of image view, and also give the background color of this button. Now change the text color, white, and also show it layout left, and also show it layout to right of button 2, and give margin left to the from second button to 15 dp, and give size of text to 20 sp. Our design almost has been completed. One thing, give the text style. We want to give it bold. Here we want to going to add another layout for our buttons. We name it relative layout, and this show match parent. We change the height from match parent to give some properties, control X, and after that we want to paste below the last button, and we give match parent to 140 dp, height 140 dp, no 130 dp, and we want to give margin top 240 dp, 235 dp is good. If you want to change the, and also show gravity center of all the things, all the buttons, and they give the background color to background color, also give for give little bit blue color. And our design part is almost complete. Now we are going to the backend code, what should be show after we clicking the button. Remember that if you want to add any music, either it's video or audio, there have a class called media player. We give name it mPlayer, and after we want to declare the buttons. First is btn things inside our onCreate method. First we declare the media player is equal to media player dot. Now we create inside this. Now call, we have one declare the resource type. You just select the raw and select okay. Now we have add an raw folder, and inside raw folder we just find the show in explorer and we go to the desktop. I have passed the desktop in the video in the desktop, and just copy the usong and cut it, come to the raw folder and paste the video here, click OK. Now it show dot raw dot usong. The usong is come here. using has come here. The button inside the onCreate method play music is equal to find view by id by calling the R class, and inside the R class we have first button, and the second we have button pause is equal to find view by id R dot id dot button second, and after that we have button stop, and also find its id inside the R class, and id is button 3. Almost we have completed or caused the button, and we are going to add creating a public method, and the public first one is play music function, and inside the play music we call the button play, and if we click on the button play button, then after that it will perform the player wave dot we have a class start function, we call start function. Don't forget to call the play function inside your onCreate method play music. Second we want to make another function for pause music, and if we want to, if we click on the pause music function, it also show some action like the media player will be paused. Again we want to call the pause method inside our onCreate method, and the last we have a stop button, public void stop music, and if we click on the stop button, then we set an action. We want to stop the music. Almost our program has been completed, and we just call, don't forget to call the stop function inside your onCreate method. Now we are going to see and run our project. Our project has been run successfully. Now we are click on the play button. Either the video will play or not. The video is playing. If we click on the pause button, the video will pause if we again from its current position. So thank you for watching this tutorial.